Food loss and waste occurs at every point in the food supply chain. However, we believe that the everyday actions of consumers like you and me contribute significantly to the problem. We set out to identify the major problem areas of food waste from consumers. For one, it's a major inconvenience to think about food waste, which makes people ignorant about the issue. Plus, information is scattered everywhere and finding them can be a drag. The redistribution of excess food to those who are food insecure is another challenge. Making matters worse is the social stigma attached to being food insecure. So, how do we address these problems? We thought of FoodyPal, a user-friendly interactive social media platform that connects you to other users for information sharing about food. But it's not just that, it's your FoodyPal, your partner in combating food waste. We'll give you the quick rundown. The home button is the feed for shared posts, stories, and possible food distribution locations. It can be at your house, at a restaurant, a food bank, or even at the grocery store. This not only expedites food redistribution and barter, but it also creates a micro-community of people motivated to learn about saving food, share experiences and ideas, or just have a conversation about food in general. It instills purpose and camaraderie. The search bar is a convenient information finding tool as well as a profile finder, whether it be a retailer, restaurant, or users around the area. The Info Hub is your go-to resource, a place where you can look up regularly updated recipes, smart tips on food preservation, nutrition, labeling, and disposal. Here we can collaborate with food scientists, chefs, and food initiatives for content. Cooked up a smacking meal? Snap a picture with the camera feature for a post. Use it to intelligently identify your produce, gauge the freshness index, or inventory your food purchases by scanning your receipts. Direct messaging functions like in any other social media. Notifications are there for users to keep up with the Joneses. Users will receive reminders and alerts for events or trending posts to prompt engagement. And then finally, we get to the creme de la creme. Tapping on your profile grants access to your food inventory, a feature reminding you constantly of your food spoilage timeline. Overwhelmed by what to cook, the food inventory intelligently tells you what recipes you can prepare based on what you have. Besides those, FoodyPal leverages on user psychology by triggering the reward center of the brain. This means keeping track of stats, achievements, ratings, and maybe even carbon footprint or dollars saved. What better way to earn bragging rights by sharing these on your timeline, right? The clean, simple user interface of FoodyPal makes it easy to use and understand, yet the possibilities are endless. We believe FoodyPal will help foster a strong sense of community while equipping users with the tools to fight against food waste. And what's the harm if there's excitement along the way? What does the future hold for FoodyPal? With growth and development, we hope to collect user data and incorporate blockchain technology as a way to understand consumer behavior and trends that contribute to food waste. Simultaneously, we hope to achieve a sustainable business model based on ad revenue and PPP. With that, we thank you for the opportunity to share about FoodyPal.